Kate here with WTI. Now, I don't know about you, but one of my biggest travel struggles is finding a place for all of my cosmetics. This amazing toiletry bag from PO Travel Design is the solution. First of all, just look how adorable it is. It's in this really cute flamingo and pineapple print. It's in navy blue. It's got really gorgeous gold hardware and zippers. Super cute. But beyond that, it is so incredible to bring everything you could possibly need. This fits all of my makeup, all of my shampoo and conditioner and hair care. I can put my deodorant in here, or my razor, my toothbrush, toothpaste, everything that you need to take with you on the go, you can put in this great bag. It has 3 separate compartments, so there's a place for your makeup brushes. There's some great elastic bands in there to hold all of your products in place. You can see that some of this is leak proof, so if you put something in here and it happens to spill, it's contained in that area. I love that the compartments are see-through, so I know exactly where my things are at. There's also zippers on the outside. These zipper tags are so pretty, little gold circles. The entire thing is water resistant, very wipeable, easy to clean if anything were to get on it. This holds full-size products, so you don't have to limit yourself with what you bring. So if you're looking for something to organize your travel better, this is an awesome addition to your travel gear, and that's my point of view.